Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, where power meets precision, and today, we're diving into the beast that is the 2025 Audi RS Q8. This isn't just another luxury SUV. This is Audi's flagship performance SUV. It's coming into 2025 with sharper looks, more tech, and raw performance that blurs the line between a family cruiser and a Nürburgring monster.
Ow.
Let's talk design first. Audi has subtly refined the RS Q8 for 2025. Don't be fooled, this thing still looks like it's ready to devour the road. With its aggressive honeycomb grille, larger air intakes, and a slightly tweaked light signature, it maintains that intimidating presence that screams power. The 23-inch wheels, flared arches, and that sloping roofline remind you this SUV is more RS than Q under the hood, is where the magic really happens. The 2025 RS Q8 packs the same monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, but now it's pushing out a staggering 670 horsepower and 665 pounds FT of torque. Thanks to some ECU tuning and slight hybrid assistance, that's supercar territory in a full-sized SUV. 0 to 60 is just 3.5 seconds in an SUV. Let that sink in. The RS-tuned Quattro all-wheel drive system makes sure every ounce of that power gets translated into motion without any drama. With the optional rear-wheel steering, the RS Q8 feels surprisingly nimble around tight corners. It's not just straight-line speed this SUV knows how to handle. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly blends luxury and performance. Alcantara, carbon fiber, diamond-stitched, leather seats, and Audi's latest MMI interface. With dual touchscreens, the Virtual Cockpit Plus gives you a fully customizable driver display that includes performance metrics, G-force meters, and more. It feels like a cockpit built for thrill. Whether you're taking the kids to school or launching off a highway exit ramp, the RS Q8 doesn't compromise. It's luxury when you want it, aggression when you need it. So if you're after the perfect blend of German engineering, brute power, and high-tech refinement, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 deserves your attention. Hit that like button. Subscribe to 91 Gearbox. Let us know. Would you pick the RS Q8 over a Lamborghini Urus or BMW XM? Drop your thoughts below.